National Museum of Natural History has been completely gutted after a devastating fire that had broke out in the wee hours on Tuesday. The museum housed various rare exhibits like huge collection of stuffed animals and birds. The future generation will certainly be deprived of this rich collection. One of the major attractions for children had been the replica of a dinosaurus outside the museum. Let's take a glance at some of the other details of this museum that made the museum a nostalgic place to visit. New Street Desk.